Easy Chill English. Sit back, listen, and let English come to you.
Lara, yesterday was a disaster.
A disaster? What happened?
Yesterday morning, I woke up late, again. The alarm rang, I heard it, but I thought 5 more minutes. And then it was 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. So I jumped out of bed, I ran to the kitchen, I wanted to make eggs, I put the eggs in the pan, I turned on the heat, and then I went to check my phone.
The phone.
Yes, I forgot the eggs completely. When I came back, they were black.
They were black.
Completely black. The kitchen smelled terrible. My neighbor knocked on the door. She asked, "Is everything okay in there?"
Your neighbor came?
She came, yes, and I opened the door and I said, "Yes, everything is fine," with a black cloud behind me.
A black cloud behind you?
She looked at me. She looked at the cloud. She walked away.
She walked away, just like your cat.
Just like my cat. Nobody stays, Lara.
Leo, did you notice something just now?
Notice what?
You just told me your whole story about yesterday, everything that happened. And did you notice the words you used?
What do you mean?
You said, I woke up late. I ran to the kitchen. I went to check my phone. I came back. She came to the door. She walked away.
I said all of that?
You did, naturally, without thinking about it.
Without thinking about it.
That is exactly what today's about. How to talk about yesterday, naturally, easily, like you just did.
So I already know how to do it?
You already started. Now let us understand why it works and how to do it even better.
Okay, I'm ready. And a little hungry because I never ate those eggs.
We will get to eat very soon. Let's go. Leo, when you talk about yesterday, your words change.
They change? How?
Right now, today, you say, I am tired.
I am tired. Yes, always tired.
But yesterday, you say, I was tired.
Was, not am.
Yes, am and is, they become was for the past. So today, the eggs are black. Yesterday, the eggs were black.
The eggs were black. Very black.
And your neighbor, today, she is confused. Yesterday, she was confused.
She was very confused, poor woman.
And are becomes were. For you, for we, for they. Today, we are here. Yesterday, we were at home.
We were at home. She was confused. The eggs were black. I'm getting this.
Yes, you are.
Lara, what about the things I did? Like I ran, I jumped. Those are not am or is.
Good, yes. Those are different. Most action words, you just add ed at the end, and they become past. Walk becomes walked. That is it. Just add ed.
Ed. That is easy.
Yes. So in your story, you said, she walked away. Walk plus ed. And I turned on the heat. Turn plus ed.
Turned. Yes, I said that. But Lara, wait. I also said I went to check my phone. Went. That is not go plus ed. Go plus ed would be goed?
Goed. Yes, you noticed something important.
So went is special.
Yes, some words are special. They do not follow the ed rule. They change completely. Go becomes went. Not goed, just went.
Go, went. That is very different.
And in your story, you said, I came back. Come becomes came, not comed.
Comed. That sounds very wrong.
Very wrong. And she came to the door. Same word, came.
Come, came. Go, went. These are the special ones.
Yes, we call them irregular. Irregular, IRREGULAR, means they do not follow the normal rule. They are special. Each one has its own past form.
How many are there?
Quite a few, but the most common ones you will hear again and again, and slowly they will feel normal.
Okay, I will listen for them.
Good. And Leo, you already used them naturally, without knowing.
I did, without even trying.
Without even trying, even while burning eggs.
Even while burning eggs.
Okay, let me tell you about my yesterday.
Yes, please, your turn.
Yesterday morning, I woke up early.
Woke. That is wake plus ed?
Good ear. No, wake becomes woke, not waked. Your mouth knows this already.
Wake, woke. Yes, woke sounds right. Waked sounds strange.
Exactly. So I woke up early. I walked to my art club.
Walked. Walk plus ed. Normal one.
Yes. I walked inside. My favorite chair was taken, so I sat near the window instead. Actually, the light was better there.
Sat. Sit becomes sat?
Yes. Sit becomes sat. And near the window, I saw my friend's painting.
Saw. See becomes saw? This one looks completely different.
Yes. See becomes saw. Very different from the original.
See, saw, go, went, come, came, wake, woke, sit, sat. I'm collecting them.
You are. So I saw my friend's painting, and it was beautiful. I never had a painting like that before.
Had. Have becomes had?
Yes, have becomes had. I never had a painting that good. I felt, I want to do that too. So I brought my new brushes. I tried a completely new technique. Technique. Technique means a new way of doing something.
Brought. Bring becomes brought? Bring runs away from its original shape.
Yes, completely. Bring becomes brought.
Even painting badly, you are finding grammar.
I cannot help it. So I brought my brushes, I tried the new technique, and I thought, this is going really well.
Thought. Think becomes thought?
This one surprises everyone the first time.
Yes, think becomes thought.
Think, thought. Bring, brought. They sound similar.
Good ear, yes. Brought and thought both end in ought. O-U-G-H-T. That helps you remember them together.
That is clever. Brought, thought, brought, thought.
So I thought this is going well, and then it went completely wrong.
Of course it did.
The colors mixed badly, everything turned gray. But Leo, I had the best time. I sat there for 2 hours. I tried again and again. I read a little book about painting.
Read. That is read plus ed?
This one is completely special. The spelling stays the same, but the sound changes. Today, I read sounds like read. Yesterday, I read sounds like read.
The spelling is the same, but the sound is different?
Yes, the sneakiest word.
The sneakiest, I believe it. And at the end, I drank some tea with my friend. We talked about our paintings. It was a wonderful morning.
Drank. You just used that one.
I did. Drink becomes drank.
Yes, drink becomes drink.
Drink, drank. Read, read. But a different sound. English never stops.
And then I walked home. It started to rain. I arrived home completely wet.
Completely wet.
But very happy.
Your yesterday was much better than mine.
A little better, yes, but yours had better stories.
The black eggs, the black cloud, the neighbor walks away.
Classic Leo morning. Before we go, I want to try something with you, Leo.
With me?
Yes. Tell me your story again. The whole thing, from yesterday. But this time, pay attention to how you tell it.
Okay. Yesterday, I waked up late.
Almost. Wake is a special one, not waked.
Oh, woke. I woke up late.
Yes.
I runned to the kitchen.
Run is also special. Run becomes ran.
Ran. I ran to the kitchen. I putted the eggs in the pan.
Put is very special. It stays the same. I put. Yesterday, I put.
It stays the same?
Yes. Put, put. No change at all.
English, always surprising me. I put the eggs in the pan. I went to check my phone. I came back. The eggs were black. My neighbor came to the door. She looked at me. She walked away.
Leo went, came, were, looked, walked. Every single one correct. You just told your whole story with the right words all the way through.
I made mistakes at the start, but then I fixed them. Right here, in front of everyone. And I am still alive.
Still alive. That is exactly how you learn. You try, you make a mistake, you fix it. And next time, it comes naturally.
Try, mistake, fix, next time, natural. Okay, Lara, I want to try something now.
What?
I will say the base form, you tell me the past. Ready?
Ready.
Go.
Went.
Come.
Came.
See.
Saw.
Have.
Had.
Bring.
Brought.
Think.
Thought.
Drink.
Drink.
Wake.
Woke.
Sit.
Sat.
Run.
Ran.
Eat.
Ate.
Wait. I knew all of those. I tested you, and I knew all the answers.
Yes, you did.
When did that happen?
While we were talking, while you were telling your story, while you were listening to mine, your brain was collecting them, quietly, without asking permission.
Without asking permission.
And everyone listening, the same is happening for you right now, while you sit there.
Tell them something, Lara. Something important. Tell them what you told me at the beginning.
That you already know how to talk about the past. You already started. Every time you tell someone what happened today, what you ate, where you went, who you saw, that is the past tense, already inside you, already yours.
Already yours.
We want to hear your story. Tell us, what did you do yesterday? Just one moment, just one thing. Write it below.
And if you made a mistake, write that too, because that means you tried.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. And remember,
Small sentences, every day.
your brain is listening,
Your brain is learning.
even right now.